Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, we're going to be taking a look at another sunglasses storage solution for the interior of your Tesla. I reviewed one of these before. The internet collectively hated it, as you can see here on screen, but I want to try again. Let me know what you think of this one. Let's get into it. So let's quickly take a look at the sunglasses holder, and then I'll show you where it's going to install in the Tesla. So this is going to fit your Model 3s and your Model Ys, your old school style ones. This is kind of it. It fits right over the center armrest, or right kind of in front of the center armrest. This is the area where you normally put your key card. So it's just kind of a little attachment. You're going to have space here for sunglasses, key cards, change, stuff like that, if you want to have it inside your Tesla. Easily installs with just some sticky 3M on the back. So let's head right over there, and we'll go ahead and get it installed, and then we'll test it out. So here's where it's going to install in our Tesla, right kind of on this front little flap section. You can see it's a perfect cutout. It matches this little design area perfectly, and this little sticky part matches all around here. So it's going to fit kind of right there on our Tesla. You still have perfect access to your actual button to release your entire center console, but that's where it's going to go. So let's go ahead and peel off that sticky adhesive, and I'm going to work on getting it kind of installed in this little area right here. So as always with these little projects, just take your time. You only get really one shot to line it up right, and I want it to stick for a while. So I'm going to take my time, pull off these little adhesive strips all around the actual sunglasses holder tray thing here. Then we're going to take our time and just kind of line up this top section real nice. That looks good. And kind of push in that bottom section. Make sure it's nice and adhered. And there you kind of go. We got it nice and attached. It's kind of sturdy there. Gives still plenty of flexibility. And like I said, it doesn't affect your key cards if you actually need to use your key card to start or move your Tesla. So let's actually put it down, and we'll try it with some glasses, and I'll show you guys how it looks. So coming in on it, I think it actually blends quite nicely with the actual interior of their Tesla. It's not super out of the way. It's not a big bulbous feature like some other sunglass things I've tested. It actually integrates pretty well. It doesn't affect any of your cup holder space or anything like that. You can still easily open up your center console and get to that little center latch in there. Super easy. Let's go ahead and try out some sunglasses and kind of see what actually fits in here and see if I can actually still hit that center console switch with a couple sunglasses in the tray. Starting off with a pair of sunglasses that is a pretty big curve, so I want to see if these actually fit in kind of different ways. So if I put them face down like that, fits in there quite nicely. It's still below my center console. My arm's not going to hit it, and I can still reach in there and grab my actual button to unlock it. So I kind of like it like that. Turning them over, let's see. That actually fits pretty good as well. I can still, if I move them around a little bit, I can still reach in there and open up my center console. And I kind of like that as well. That way my lenses aren't getting scratched up. Keeps them super easy within arm's reach. I like that a lot. Let's try this pair. This is a pair of sunglasses my wife wears, a little bit smaller. These are going to fit absolutely fine, I'm sure, and you have a little bit more room in there. That way you can still open up everything. So for the sunglasses we wear the most, this actually fits really well. If you have huge designer sunglasses like some people wear, this might not be the solution for you, but it actually works pretty good for kind of holding your sunglasses in there. If you're like me and you have different LED lights inside your Tesla, maybe you have a little remote for them that you can keep in here, and obviously some change. Throw that in there as well. It's just a nice little space for you to keep kind of your odds and ends in your car. Our Teslas aren't immune to having a clutter of stuff, so I often like all the accessories I can to help keep the interior nice and organized. I really like this little rubber silicone tray. Looks really nice. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this little sunglasses holder. It seems to hold a wide variety of sunglasses. It's pretty wide, so you can fit a lot of different variety of sunglasses and other things in there. We're spoiled for choice when it comes to our Teslas. We have lots of different accessory options, and I really like having a little tray in front of my armrest here where I can keep my odds and ends, keep my sunglasses, and just kind of keep what I need nice and secure. It gets up out of my way when I don't need it. So it's a really kind of neat design. I think they did a really good job. I got this little sunglasses holder from Yeslac. Right now they're having their Black Friday sale. So if you use code GAMBLE1080 right here on the screen at checkout, you can save up to 20% on anything on their website. Lots of great accessories from Yeslac. They've been a big sponsor of the channel. I really like a lot of their products, so make sure to check them out. I have some more stuff coming from Yeslac soon, so stay tuned to those videos. If you're interested in any of the other ways I've customized my Tesla, make sure to check out my Amazon storefront down below. It's really cool stuff in there too. Thank you guys for coming back to the channel. Make sure you shop at YesLac, use code GAMBLE1080, and we'll definitely see you in the next video. Feel free to like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.